Hi, I'm Una from Cards and Hugs. Last week, you all just took me over the moon by your nice comments and messages about the brush set. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And let's see some of your creations. And today we will be creating not one, not two, but three masterpieces just in few minutes. And we will be using the Winter 3 brush set. And if you haven't downloaded yet, then the link is in the description and it is for free. But I just want to say a massive thank you to all of you who decided to donate. And you know the drill. Let's roll the intro and start drawing. The first illustration that we will be creating will be this foggy forest. So start by creating a square canvas. Then insert the file and search for the paper included in the brush set. Duplicate it, set one on a color burn around 70%, another one to linear burn around 40%. Combine them and lock them so they are secure and you don't draw on them. Add a new layer under the paper layer. And then choose a light color for your trees. I will choose a green color. And then choose the watery tree brush, size around 40%. Let's start by adding some trees. And what are we doing now? We are making a group of trees. And scatter them around the canvas, but don't draw too much of them because you will need a space for different colored trees as well. Then click on the smudge tool and choose Fluffy Splatter Brush. And just smudge the bottom part of the trees. And then add new layer and choose a bit darker color. And add more trees, but leave a space for other trees and smudge the bottom of these as well. And then just keep adding new layers, choosing darker colors, and wherever you see a space, add a tree. And smudge the bottom, and you can do this till you are happy with the outcome. And that's it. So I hope this was an easy and fun drawing for you. And now to the second one. We will be creating this night sky. And it looks like you went to the forest, you got lost. Now it's nighttime, you are tired and decided to lay down and look at the stars. So let's create square canvas and start drawing. So the start will be the same. Add paper, duplicate. One layer will be color burn, other one will be linear burn. Then combine them, lock them because you don't want to draw on the paper layer, and create a layer underneath. Then choose fluffy splatter brush and the color of your sky. It should be a bit dark because nighttime, you know. And I will go with the pinky purple. Then just draw and make the middle a bit lighter because all the stars will be there. You can use the draw and smudge brush as well for interesting textures. Then add new layer and choose a really dark color and texture tree brush, size around 20%. Then draw from the middle, well almost the middle, to the canvas outside. And draw different sized trees, because everyone is unique in this world, the trees as well. And when this is done, add new layer, under luminance choose light pen, size around 40%, and a really light color. And start drawing stars, big and small, and you can draw a moon or Mars. Don't draw the sun though, because night. But you are the boss of this universe, so you do whatever you like. Also, you can add super shine to the stars by using a flare brush. Like pew pew! And the star is super shiny! And you can add this to all of the stars or just some of the stars. And that's it! I think this was an easy one, but it looks super pretty. And the last one today will be this mountain landscape. So, let's create a square canvas and start drawing. Well, I bet you already know what needs to be done. Create the paper texture layer and add a layer underneath. Then choose a light color for the mountain. I will do a purple one. And then choose a background stamp tree and just stamp it. Then you can choose which side you want at the top. And by using wrap tool, just move the mountain around till you like how it looks. And then let's erase the bottom part of the mountain. I will use an airbrush. And then smudge it a bit by using fluffy splatter brush. And as the mountain will be far in the background, let's add Gaussian blur about 4%. Then create new layer, choose darker color and stamp again. And move it lower than previous mountain. And again, you are super strong. By wrap tool, move the mountain around and erase the bottom part and smudge it. And on this one we will be using Gaussian blur around 2%. Then add new layer, darker color, stamp, move and smudge. And if the mountain from previous layer is showing through, then erase it and smudge a bit. And add new layer, choose darker color, stamp and move the mountain by your super strength called wrap tool. And I decided to make this layer darker by duplicating it and merge together. Now let's create a new layer and choose a tree brush and draw little trees on this mountain and the other one that's behind. And if you want, you can add more fog with fluffy splatter and white color between the layers. Then add new layer on the top and choose really dark color and the tree brush and add trees in the foreground. Then add new layer at the bottom of the all layers and choose some warm color and lightly color in by draw and smudge brush the sky. And then with the airbrush, make a little sun behind the mountains. We reached the end of the tutorial, and now you have 3 masterpieces. I hope you enjoyed drawing them, and if you want to share them, then please tag me and use the hashtag that you see on the screen. And if you don't want to miss the next week's tutorial, please consider subscribing. Till next week!